In this video we're going to take a look at creating and editing an Office document. Okay, what I've just done is I've put a PowerPoint onto this class blog. I'm going to show you how to download that PowerPoint and then open it up so that you can edit it. So you can see when I click that, it's come up with a little button that says starting download. That will appear in the notifications bar, which you either get at the top of your tablet, or if you're on a tablet like the one I am on, you get at the bottom. So that's just downloaded it there. So if I click on that, I have a choice as to what I want to open it in. Now the editor that you will have on your tablets is Polaris Office. That's the one I'm going to show you. So if I hit Polaris Office, it will open up that presentation in Polaris Office. You can see it's the same presentation that I've used with you in this session if you're in the Galaxy Tablet training session. Now I have all the different slides here, and you can see I can click between them just as I would if I were in PowerPoint. If I want to edit this, I can hit the pen button, which then brings up a variety of tools. I can click in the box here to edit that text. You can see the keyboards come up and I can edit it. Or I can add things by going to Add, where I can insert things like a text box, shape, a table, an image, or take a picture directly from the camera. Once I'm happy with it, I would click the Save button if I just wanted to save it to where it already is. If I wanted to save it to a different location, I could click that button and I could choose a different place to save it and give it a different name if I wanted to. Once I've done that, I could then obviously use something like the class blog or email to email that presentation to somebody else. So that's how to edit something you've already been given. What if I want to make my own document? Well, let's come out into Polaris Office itself. So this is a Polaris Office home screen here. If I wanted to create a new file, I would just hit New. I have a choice of Word documents, Excel, or PowerPoints. So word processor, spreadsheet, or presentation. There are also some templates that I can use as well to help me. I'm just going to choose a document for now. When I go in here, you can see this is what the document editor looks like. Now I'm recording landscape, so I haven't got a lot of screen to work with. If you're using your tablet portrait, you will find that you've got a little bit more screen to see what you're actually doing here. But it's just the same as if I was using a word processor. I could start typing. I'm doing this one-handed because I'm having to lean over the tablet. It's obviously quicker with two. And you can start building it up like that. The same as you saw in the PowerPoint editor. I can add things like shapes, tables, images. I can put links in here to this one as well, hyperlinks. If I want to change the font or anything like that, I can click on the T tool. That allows me to change the font. If I want to change the way it's aligned, I can put it in the center, to the right, or whatever. And I've got a paste button as well, so if I had copied an image from the internet or something like that, or a photograph I'd taken and I'd copied a bit of it, then I could use the paste button there to paste that image into the document. So you can see it works very much like a normal word processor that you'll be used to. Slightly more limited, you haven't got quite as many options because you're working on a tablet and a smaller screen, but you can do the vast majority of things that you would want to do when you're word processing. So that's how to edit documents.